In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, the question arises, can AI truly replace a software engineer? AI has made significant strides in various fields, raising concerns and opportunities in software development. The complexity of coding tasks and problem-solving abilities have been areas where AI has shown promising abilities. However, the creative and intuitive aspects of software engineering pose challenges for AI to replicate human ingenuity. As AI continues to advance, the role of software engineers may evolve rather than be entirely replaced. The symbiotic relationship between AI and software engineers could lead to enhanced productivity and innovation. Exploring this topic further opens doors to understanding the future of technology-driven professions. The next chapter in the AI revolution could redefine the boundaries of traditional software engineering practices. Join us on this thought-provoking journey as we contemplate the intersection of AI and software engineering. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.